All right? Make a right circle, or a left circle for me. Turn your head over your shoulder and just go left. Good. All the way. Now you're going right. Good. Now walk straight. Now stop her. Back her up. Shh, 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 shh. Good. Now spread your hands out. And you can trot her around a circle. Remember, no little kicks. Good. Turn your head. Good. Keep her in a trot. All right, you're going to have to make your circle bigger to keep her in a trot, okay? Give her head a little bit. Remember, I tied a knot in your rein. That's why it seems shorter. Good. Now if you want to lope, you can. Good. Cut across. Turn your head. All right, think about where you're going. Dusty in here.